In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a club on chess.com. Clubs on chess.com are communities where players gather to chat, play team matches, enter club-specific tournaments, and share resources. Whether you're looking for a local group, a fan community, or a training-focused club, the process to join is quick and straightforward. First, make sure you're logged into your chess.com account. You'll need to be signed in to access community features and have your membership tied to the club. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation menu on your screen. Hover your mouse over the section labeled Social. This opens up the social features area where you'll find all the community options. From there, click on Clubs. This takes you to the Clubs Hub, where you can discover groups across a wide range of interests and skill levels. On this page, you'll see options to explore what's popular, new, or relevant to your profile. To discover a club that fits your goals, click Find Clubs in the right sidebar. This opens the directory. Here you can browse by category or use the search bar if you already have a specific club in mind. Try searching by keywords like your city, your preferred time control, or a topic such as puzzles or opening study. If you're not sure where to start, scanning the browse results is a great way to get a feel for active, welcoming communities. Take a moment to read brief descriptions and note the member counts to gauge how lively a club might be. When a club catches your eye, click its name to open the club's page. This is where you can review important details before joining, like the club description, recent activity, upcoming events, and how frequently members post or play. Skimming this information helps you choose a club that matches your interests and schedule. If it looks like a good fit, click the green Join button near the top of the club page. Some clubs accept new members instantly, while others require approval from an admin. If approval is needed, you'll see a prompt to submit your request, and you may be asked a simple question about why you want to join. After that, just wait for the confirmation. You'll get notified once you're in. That's it. You're now ready to explore club discussions, sign up for team matches, and meet fellow players. Joining the right club can make your chess journey more social, motivating, and fun. Enjoy your new community and happy playing.